Alright, we're going to do a cold start on the 1995 Ford F250 with dual straight pipes and 302. I think it's about minus 18 Celsius roughly right now, not including the wind chill. I'll clean the old girl up with the snow brush here. Truck's been sitting a while. Interior light didn't even turn on. I guess it's not much good anyway. I think the old truck's got 250,000 on the body. That's what the odometer says. I have no idea what it actually has on it. I'll set the tripod up back by the exhaust and do a cold start on it. I'll clean some snow off the old girl. All the snow off it. Got a big old cap on the back. Just my little project truck I've been picking away at. Got a lot of work to do with the old truck so far. There's 270 some thousand on it. Had Dodge Ram seats in it, little bucket seats when I first got in the truck. I lucked out and found a good bench, put it back in. Sold homemade headliner because this one's all tore up. Trying to find a good rubber floor. This one's cut, and I need to find a good shift knob for the proper original one, hopefully. Truck's got f250 cab and fenders on it. This f250 chassis. It's kind of a Jimmy rigged old truck. Still a straight truck though.